Hello friends, in this video module we'll be talking about how do we hide and unhide any worksheet in Excel. Now I have three sheets open over here, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3, and I'll be sharing three ways of hiding as well as unhiding these sheets with you. So let's start with the quickest manner first. The first one that I'm going to be using is with the help of the right mouse click button. So any sheet that you want to hide, you go here on the tab name and right click on that with the help of your mouse and click on hide. As a result, that particular sheet will be hidden. Now in case if you want to unhide that sheet on any of the sheet tabs, so it could be sheet 2 or sheet 3, click on any of the sheet tab. Again, please remember it's a right click and then you click on unhide. You'll get to see unhide dialog box which will list all the hidden sheets within your Excel. You can choose the relevant one and then click on OK. So I have my sheet 1 back into my screen now. Now let's look at the second way of doing the same thing. Now in my home tab, you can see we have options within the cells menu item which is known as format. Now any sheet that we want to highlight, we'll first go to that particular sheet. And now let me choose sheet 2, which is absolutely blank in my home tab. Now within the cells menu item, I go to format. And here within visibility, there's option of hide and unhide. I can choose hide sheet from here as well. And sheet 2 is now hidden. Similarly, to unhide the sheet, what I'll do is I'll go ahead, click on format, hide and unhide and click on unhide sheet. And now you can go ahead and click OK. The third way is with the help of a keyboard shortcut. As soon as I press my Alt key, what happens is you could see certain alphabets coming in over here against each and every tab. So I know in my home tab, I have to press H, and within my home tab is where the format option is there that we just use in our step 2. So I'm just going ahead and clicking H. Once I do that, I get to see for format I need to press O, and now for hide and unhide option I need to press U, and for hide sheet I need to press S. So my sheet is hidden. Similarly, to unhide it, I'll press Alt H, O, U, and now H for unhide. I get to see what our sheets are hidden and I can go ahead and click on OK. That's how we hide and unhide sheets. Three steps that we have spoken about. The first one is with the help of right click of the mouse button. The second one is using the format menu item within the home tab. And the third one is with the help of a keyboard shortcut. Though the keyboard shortcut may seem very lengthy and slow process, but it's only for the first time. Once you start working on it, once you start using it, you'll realize that's actually the quickest way. Do try out these features and stay tuned for upcoming videos.